All right, we have several new prints we have done. All of these are glow in the dark. See, we have a dragon, a hognose snake, turtle, platypus, and a giant frog. And all of these glow in the dark really well. Go over here, and in the Elegoo, we are printing an elephant. I really like the filament on this one. It's like green on one side and purple on the other. Go to the other printer. That one's messing up, so we're gonna have to redo that one. So that's just some of the new prints I wanted to show you. We're working on lots more. So.